Okay, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. And here I am with the topic article writing for class 12. Before coming to the writing of the article, or before knowing what an article is, I have directly taken up the article writing format because now you should be familiar with the definition of the article and what an article is, and but I will be discussing it soon after I will complete the telling you the format of this article writing. I have also discussed you with I have also discussed with you the um, report writing, and in report writing you have the headline. Here in this format, in the format of the article writing, we have the title of the article. You must remember, article writing is a creative art. So it has a title, and when you are writing the report, you have a byline. Byline means who the correspondent is, who the report writer is. And here we have the writer, we have the author. Title of the article, then there is the writer's name. Writer's name is on the left hand corner, top left hand corner, just after the headline, just after the title of the article, there is a writer's name. And then there is the paragraph 1. The first paragraph should be introduction of the title, introduction of the topic. जो पहला पैराग्राफ हम लिख देंगे आर्टिकल में, जो हमारा मजमून है, उसका पहला पैराग्राफ उसको मुतारिफ करें, उसकी इंट्रोडक्शन दें. Then starts the body. Body is the main part of the article. Dear students, we have the composition, we have the essay, we have the letter. There is a part in all these things that is body. The body should be comprised of at least 2 paragraphs, and it could be of more than 2 paragraphs. And the content in the body should describe the title very elaborately, and in these paragraphs in the body we should put our knowledge, and we should give additional information about the title of the article. Then after doing this all, we have the conclusion. Conclusion should be 1 para. If it is some article is on some issues, we will suggest how to resolve those issues. We will give our opinion regarding some issue, regarding some problem, regarding some good thing happening. And I think ये मैंने आपको दे दिया है जो इसका फॉर्मेट है. You will again record it, title of the article, writer's name, introduction of the title. In the first para, you have to give the introduction of the title. Then there is body. Body is the main part of the article, and it should include 2 or more than 2 paragraphs. The content should be description and additional information. Then the conclusion. In the conclusion, you will give your opinion. And assignment for you is need of a moral education in schools, in sanitary condition in the village, keeping in view the running pandemic. You will try to write these 2 articles. Now we will talk on the creative art, because article writing is basically a creative art. Article writing is a creative art, and we have to learn this art. The impression that creativity is an inborn capacity. أسۍ ٲسۍ وَنان برونٛٹھ ہے یہِ چھِ أمِس وُزی کٲنٛسہِ شخصس چھِ وُزی أمِس چھِ شعر وُزان آرٹِکل لیکھُن تہِ چھُ اکھ باسان یِہے وُزٕنۍ ہِش آسٕنۍ but it is not all the same now. The belief has become now archaic. The impression that creativity is an inborn capacity and is gifted by God Himself to a selected few does not scope nowadays. अल्लाह ताला ने ये क्रिएटिविटी सिर्फ चंद इंसानों को दी है, सिलेक्टेड वंस को दी है. ये इस चीज पे हमें अब जो है ये इस चीज को हमने रिगार्ड किया है, डिस्कार्ड किया है. इस पे जो बिलीफ है अब खत्म हो चुका है क्योंकि बेन जॉनसन सेज अ गुड पॉइंट इज मेड एज वेल एज बॉर्न. आई थिंक यहाँ पे इसके कहने का मतलब है कि शायर जो है बन सकता है, बेबोध भी हो सकता है और बन भी सकता है. और शायर बनने के लिए, क्रिएटिव स्किल डेवलप करने के लिए सिर्फ इंस्पायरेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, बट इट इज हार्ड वर्क एंड परस्पिरेशन. यानी मेहनत भी करनी है, परस्पिरेशन टू. All of us are creative enough in our own little way. हर एक जो है उसके पास कुछ न कुछ क्रिएटिव जो है एबिलिटी है, एक क्रिएटिव फैकल्टी है. सपोज कोई अगर हम बच्चे को कुछ टॉयज दे देंगे, he tries to make something out of that, then we guide him. Sometimes we guide him that make this row straight, make this row like this, and we help him to achieve the creative what he wants to express for his creativity. तो इसी तरह से सिर्फ इंस्पिरेशन नहीं है, परस्पिरेशन है, यानी मेहनत करनी है. और कुछ चीजें जो है we have to practice that. All of us are creative enough in our कि किसी न किसी तरीके से हम सब जो है क्रिएटिव है. टू डेवलप द स्किल और वी कैन से टू pivot the skill of creative writing, we should observe some practices. इस स्किल को अचीव करने के लिए, इस स्किल को बेहतरीन बनाने के लिए, इस स्किल को प्योर करने के लिए हमने कुछ जो है अवामिल करने हैं, कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस करने हैं, कुछ काम करने हैं. As has been suggested rightly in the study material of 12th class for developing of this skill, and very aptly the first जो है that is drill the creative muscle. What's that creative muscle? Basically, creativity is directly related to our mind, and mental exercise will help us powering this skill or developing this skill. To develop the skill, we can say, or we can say to power the skill of creative writing, we shall observe some practices. These are drill the creative muscle by indulging in mental games. We have so many games on the computer. We can play them. We can play puzzles. Suppose computer is not always available. We can do the puzzles by using the toys, by using the pebbles, by using those small things, and allowing the children to play with those things and let them express their creative ability. To develop the creative ability, we must have a repertoire of words, of the language from which we want to express ourselves, and to build that repertoire, or I can say to build that repository रादर रिपोजिटरी, एक लफ्ज़ों का खजाना हमारे पास होना चाहिए, जिस ज़ुबान में हम अपनी क्रिएटिव, अपनी तख्लीकी स्किल को, हुनर को इजहार करना चाहे, उसके लफ्ज़ों का वी मस्ट हैव रिपोजिटरी ऑफ द वर्ड्स ऑफ दैट लैंग्वेज, उस ज़ुबान का हमारे पास एक खजान होना चाहिए। तो इसलिए फॉर दैट थिंग वी हैव टू डू read more than that of our consumed area. We have the areas, prescribed areas, to read for as per our syllabi. But to pivot the cycle of creative ability, or to develop the skill of creative ability, we have to read more than that of the concerned area. And we have to take digressions also. हाँ, जिस काम के लिए बनाया गया है, हम उसका और अपने अंदाज से इस्तेमाल कर। Okay, when I am talking of the digressions, we have been told in our study material that break the rules. I won't use the phrase break the rules, it doesn't seem appropriate to me, but taking a digression is important here because we sometimes enjoy the poetic license, but I don't talk here of a poetic license because it is our initial period, and here what is to do, we can take digression, we can make use of things differently. if हम मैं अभी फैन की बात कर रहा था, पंखे की बात कर रहा था मैं। पंखा जो है कमरे में चलाते हैं ताकि सर्द हवा चले या हवा सर्द हो। it we run a fan to cool the air in the room, but we can also use it for winnowing purpose। अस ये छटन खतर ती इस्तेमाल करना, यापट खतर ती इस्तेमाल करना। एंड ए बारबेक्यू स्लैर तुज कनन वोल अत कर लागान तल कोलन तो कोल गरमावन। A barbecue seller uses it to blow air into coals to keep them hot and burning. The important thing in developing the skill of creativity is to be inquisitive. That means we have to inquire into things. We have to see the reason behind the things. हमने हर एक चीज को परखना है और अपनी अकल की सेटिस्फैक्शन, अकल की तसल्ली के लिए, जब तक अकल से तसल्ली हो तब तक उसके बारे में जो है मालूमात जो है करने हैं। तो दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू डेवलप दिस क्रिएटिव स्किल। लाइक वी वर टोल्ड इन आवर बाय आवर एंसेस्टर्स, हमारे जद्द अजदाद हमसे कहते थे कि जो ज़मीन है ये एक बहुत ही बड़े बेल पे रेस्ट कर रही है। ज़मीन बड़िस बील दान पे सह कर अचर वालस क्या तो पे ब्यूल ग the earth rests on a huge bull, and when it winks, then the earth it trembles, that's an earthquake. But we never asked our those storytellers that on which the very huge bull rests. ये भील दांत कथ पे यह जहन कस पृछमुत। When Isaac Newton was delivering a lesson, he was deliberating on the gravitational pull. An old lady accosted him and told her, एक बूढ़ी औरत खड़ी हो गई और उसने उससे पूछा कि भाई आप जो ग्रेविटेशनल पुल की कहा वो तो कहीं दिखता ही नहीं है। There is obviously gravitational pull is not seen, but the earth rests on a huge tortoise because they believe that she has been told that. Isaac Newton asked her, respected old lady, on what does the tortoise rest? She told him that the earth rests on a huge tortoise, according to their belief. The lady told that it rests on a tortoise. Another tortoise, another huge one. Again, Isaac Newton asked her on which that second huge tortoise rests. And the lady told that then they are all along the tortoise, down till down. And she wasn't knowing where the down is. So we have to be inquisitive and we have to go to the reason, we have to uh, satisfy ourselves to the level of reason. Then, for a while, they build castles in the air, fly in the wild ecstasy for a while. यार कुछ कभी कभी जो है बस वना कश मचरते गई मज मज तो उसमें जो है उससे भी जो आपकी जो क्रिएटिव फैकल्टी है वो बढ़ जाएगी. नोट इट इन योर डायरी, नोट इट इन योर नोटबुक. चेरिश योर